If you're wondering what to do in Bern, look no further than our guide. We cover the main Bern attractions so that you may include the best places to visit in Bern on your schedule. Bern is the capital of the Canton of Bern, as well as the capital of Switzerland. It's a welcoming city with a predominantly German-speaking population. Ready to find out more about all the Bern things to do? Stay with us till the end. A walk around Bern's small old town is an excellent way to begin your sightseeing in Bern. Bern Old City is simple to explore on foot, with cobblestone streets and squares surrounded with red-roofed sandstone buildings. The city was damaged by fire in 1405, destroying the medieval wooden homes and the old town as it is now, with its replacement sandstone buildings has remained virtually unchanged since the early 15th century. Many of the new sandstone buildings had arcades with vaulted ceilings on the lower floors, known as Lobengange, which still exist today. These covered arcades, which are now home to cafes and stores, stretch for almost 6 kilometers and have become synonymous with the city. Speaking of stores, if you want to buy a Swiss souvenir to take home as a memory of your stay, Bern City Center has a variety of them. Under the covered arcades you'll find everything from watch and jewelry stores to chocolatiers, sports stores, galleries and boutiques. Because of its preserved medieval city center, Bern's Old Town was designated a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site in 1983. It is also the location of the first Lindt chocolate factory, beer legends and real beers, and Einstein's most famous published formula. When you visit Bern, you can also tune up a gear with some more adventurous action, including following the locals who have made urban swimming an actual UNESCO-listed Swiss tradition. The Zeitglog clock tower is the city's darling, a historical landmark and one of the most popular meeting places. Tours are given inside the clock, where you can learn about its history and see its mechanical workings in a modest museum setting. Bern's clock is otherworldly in its ancient, creaking, concealed loft-like home with enormous windows that open out into the city for a closer, more private perspective. If you are interested in politics, you should go to the Bundes House, or Swiss Federal Assembly. The magnificent neo-Renaissance building, built in the 19th century, attracts the attention with its green domed roof and 300-meter long facade. The entrance to the Parliament building, also known as the Federal Palace, is located on the Bundesplatz, Parliament Square, where 26 fountains representing Switzerland's 26 cantons spray water 7 meters into the air. Bern's Old Town is situated within a bend in the Blue River Aar, Switzerland's longest river at 288 kilometers in length. Bern is surrounded on 3 sides by the river, and the clean waters are regarded as an important element of the city. Bern residents consider swimming in the Aar to be a Swiss tradition, and visitors are attracted to jump in and enjoy the experience for themselves. If you are searching for some excitement, river rafting is a popular activity with both visitors and Bern locals. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.